The great spotted woodpecker spends most of its time moving within trees and has adapted to this lifestyle. These include the zygodactyl arrangement of the feet, with 2 toes facing forward and 2 backwards, and the stiff tail feathers that are used as a prop against the trunk. Young great spotted woodpeckers display the typical black and white plumage. A chick's crown is red and its abdomen is dull. Insects can be impaled on their pointed beaks by breaking the bark of the tree. The feeding interval is prolonged. The chick kills time waiting for the parents to be fed. It begins to use its beak and tongue to feed itself. This is the final footage and the first moments of flight after leaving the nest.